Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox. Your access to voice chat has been suspended. First things first, most of the time, suspensions are temporary, such as for 1 week or 1 month. During this time, you won't be able to use voice chat on Roblox. And once the suspension period has expired, you should be able to regain your access to voice chat. But if you believe that you were suspended without any valid reason, you can try contacting Roblox support, and they will investigate the matter and determine if your suspension was justified. You can reach out to them for further assistance by typing robloxsupport.com. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.